How to pray Zohar, for fard rockets, only English translation. Before you start the prayer, perform ablution. Face the Qibla, direction of Kaaba. Make this intention in your heart. I intend to pray 4 units of the Zohar obligatory prayer for the sake of Allah. Rocket 1. Start the prayer by raising your hands and say, Allah is the greatest. Opening supplication. Glory is to you, O Allah, and praise. Blessed is your name. Exalted is your majesty. There is no God but you. Recite Al-Fatiha. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise is for Allah, the Lord of the worlds. The most gracious, the most merciful. Master of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, and you alone we ask for help. Guide us on the straight path. The path of those who have received your grace, not those who have gone astray or earned your anger. Say Ameen. Recite any short chapter of the Quran such as, say, He is Allah, the One. Allah, the Eternal Refuge. He neither begets nor is born. And there is none equal to him. Go into bowing position, ruku, and say 3 times. Glory is to my Lord, the Most Great. Stand up straight and say, Allah hears the one who praises him. Our Lord, to you belongs all praise. Go into prostration, sujud, and say 3 times. Glory is to my Lord, the Most High. Sit briefly, then go into prostration again and repeat. Glory is to my Lord, the Most High. Rocket 2. Stand up and recite Al-Fatiha, same as above. A short chapter, same as before or different. Perform bowing, ruku, standing, and 2 prostrations, sujud, as in the first rocket. After the second prostration, sit and recite the tashahhud. All greetings, prayers, and good things are for Allah. Peace be upon you, O Prophet, and the mercy of Allah and His blessings. Peace be upon us and all the righteous servants of Allah. I bear witness that there is no God but Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is His servant and messenger. Then stand up for the third rocket. Rocket 3. Recite only Al-Fatiha. Perform bowing, ruku, standing, and 2 prostrations, sujud. Stand up for the fourth rocket. Rocket 4. Recite only Al-Fatiha. Perform bowing, standing, and 2 prostrations. After the second prostration, sit and recite Tashahhud, as before. Then send peace and blessings on the Prophet. O Allah, send peace upon Muhammad and upon the family of Muhammad. As you sent peace upon Ibrahim and the family of Abraham. You are indeed praiseworthy and glorious. O Allah, bless Muhammad and the family of Muhammad. As you blessed Abraham and the family of Abraham. You are indeed praiseworthy and glorious. You may also say a short personal supplication, such as, Our Lord, give us good in this world and good in the hereafter, and protect us from the punishment of the fire. To end the prayer, turn your head to the right and say, Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you. Then turn your head to the left and say, Peace and mercy of Allah be upon you.